You are discuss about Delhi, how it is changing under the colonial rule. Colonial rule means the British rule. Okay. So it is changed under the colonial rule. So today we'll discuss the making of New Delhi. So British they want to make a New Delhi and they want to start their rule from Delhi. They want to become make a capital and out of that demoralizing a past. कैसे वो past को ignore करना चाहते थे because you have seen in 1857 revolt Delhi was the main center for soldiers who start this rebellion. So they want to demoralizing the past. In Delhi, especially in the first half of 19th century, the British live along with the wealthier Indians in walled city. So in class 7th your study there were two types of towns, Black Town and white towns. So Britishers they want to live with the Indians in the walled city, those surrounded by the wall, or white city where the businessmen or rich persons will live. The British learn enjoy Urdu, Persian language also. They enjoy the learn the Persian language, Persian culture, Urdu culture, and participated in local festivals also. They started participation in local festivals also, Britishers. The British wanted to Delhi a forget in Mughal past. What was the main motto of Britishers? कि they want to convey such message through this past can be ignored. Okay, so that was the Delhi was symbolic representation of Mughal period. There was the building red fort, Jama Masjid like this. So Britishers wanted Delhi forget in Mughal past. The area around the port were completely cleared by garden. जो आसपास पोर्ट के आसपास रेड पोर्ट इट इज क्लियर्ड पेविलियंस आल्सो एंड मॉस्क्स तो दिस मॉस्क मतलब मस्जिद ये सब हटा दी गई वहां से और इन 1870 द वेस्टर्न वॉल ऑफ शाहजनाबाद इन दिल्ली वेस्टर्न वॉल ऑफ शाहजनाबाद इन 1870 were broken to establish the railway line. They broken the western part of the Sadnabad to construct a new railway line, allow to the city to expand behind the walls. They want to expand the Delhi behind the walls means the behind the Sadnabad city. So they were broken down the Sadnabad port wall, and through this they want to ignore the Mughal past. Later, British settled in the civil lines in northern Delhi. They were settled, make the colonies inside the northern Delhi for civilians, those who were the on higher post, those Britishers who were appointed on the higher post. So through this way, they started the ignorance of the past. The period between the 1830 to 1857 is also considered the rebirth of art and literature. इस पीरियड को माना गया कि rebirth हुई आर्ट एंड लिटरेचर new art styles form and period but after revolt 1857 Delhi saw the destruction by Britishers means that there were many destructions were done by the Britishers after 1857. British tried to capture every symbol of Mughals administration and started the using British culture, education and influence the Indians. So they want to refuse the Mughal culture जो भी चीज मुगल कल्चर को रिप्रेजेंट करती थी मोनूमेंट हो एनी बिल्डिंग टावर तो दे वांट टू इग्नोर और दे वांट टू इन्फ्लुएंस द इंडियंस with their new education system. Britishers want to implement the such education system. Through this, Indians can influence with the British or Western culture. Colleges were established. New colleges were made up by the Britishers. And pattern of infrastructure was introduced. New infrastructure pattern was introduced. So this was the way through this 5 to 6 point we have discussed. Britishers ignored the past. I am repeating 4 to 5 point. First, they want to ignore the Mughals or Mughal past or maybe the Delhi. They broken down the Sadnabad wall. They settled the new colony northern east of Delhi that is known as the civil colony. They also established the colleges new colleges, railway line was set up, and colleges were set up. So this was the way to ignore it. What was the planning for New Delhi or capital? What was the British planning? क्योंकि earlier it was constructed by the Delhi Mughals. So what was the planning of Britishers to construct न्यू दिल्ली, जिसको आप न्यू दिल्ली कहा जाता है, एक अनदर वन इज नोन एज द ओल्ड दिल्ली, ओल्ड एंड न्यू. तो व्हाट वाज द प्लानिंग ऑफ न्यू दिल्ली? आफ्टर द रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 many spectacular events were held there in 1877. इवेंट मीन्स द सपोज सम इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट लाइक जैसे हम रिपब्लिक डे, इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट फ्रॉम द दिल्ली रेड फोर्ट. तो सच स्पेशल इवेंट्स वर हेल्ड बाय द ब्रिटिशर्स. जैसे वाइसराय London organized the Darbar with the Queen Victoria as the Empress of India. In 1911, when the King George V was the crown in England, a Darbar was held in Delhi. So many Darbar, many meetings, they were held in Delhi. Britishers, they want to represent their cultures in Delhi. तो वाज शिफ्टेड कैपिटल इंडिया फ्रॉम कैलकाटा टू दिल्ली. उन्होंने क्या किया, 1911 में कैपिटल को शिफ्ट कर दिया. पहले अर्लियर इट वाज मीन्स द अर्लियर कैपिटल वाज द कैलकाटा और लेटर ऑन इट शिफ्टेड टू द दिल्ली बाय द ब्रिटिशर्स. हर्बर्ट बेकर आर्किटेक्ट वर कॉल्ड टू डिजाइन द न्यू दिल्ली एंड बिल्डिंग. जो हर्बर्ट थे आर्किटेक्चरल ब्रिटिशर्स के, देवर ही वाज कॉल्ड टू plan the New Delhi or design for a map, okay, architectural map. British wanted to give importance to Delhi as a center of power because it has always been the center of administration. ब्रिटिशर्स चाहते थे कि वो दिल्ली के अंदर ही अपने आप को प्रमोट करे, पावर में लेके आए. वाई? बिकॉज अर्लियर टाइम इट वाज द सेंटर ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. जितने भी हमने मुगल पीरियड क्लास 7th वी स्टडी, एवरीवन वांट टू अटैक ऑन दिल्ली. सबकी कैपिटल दिल्ली रही है मोस्ट ऑफ की, एक्सेप्ट ओनली फ्यू रूलर्स. तो डेट्स वाई अर्लियर दिल्ली वाज द सेंटर ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. टिल टुडे दिल्ली इज द पॉलिटिकल सेंटर, पॉलिटिकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. आज भी दिल्ली क्या है, पार्लियामेंट का है इनसाइड दिल्ली. तो दिल्ली इज द मेन सेंटर फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फ्रॉम द पास्ट, नॉट टुडे. So that's why the Britishers, they want to the center for administration at Delhi, and various rulers people still consider a seat of rulers. Many rulers मानते थे कि many Britishers they were thought कि place प्राची what happened? So many rulers they thought कि many Indians thought कि British rulers had started the rule from the Delhi. So that's why they want to make a new capital with the new style, new design, new building. Like when the new capital was designed, they want to impose the Roman Greek architectural style. ओल्ड दिल्ली वाज लेफ्ट एक्सपांड विदाउट एनी प्लान. ओल्ड दिल्ली को उन्होंने ऐसे छोड़ दिया और न्यू दिल्ली को किसमें, रोमन स्टाइल पैटर्न में बनाया. एट ए ग्रिड पैटर्न, मतलब ऑल द रोड शुड बी कनेक्टेड इन द रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म. रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म होता है जो 90 डिग्री पे जाके रोड्स मिले, स्ट्रेट रोड, वेल प्लान, बहुत सारी जगह हो, मीन्स द हाइजेनिक हो, बिल्कुल हेल्थी इन्वायरमेंट हो, यू नो लाइट और सब आने की फैसिलिटी हो, प्रॉपर air circulation हो. Like this they want to construct such Delhi. 44 and okay. So this was the way they want to construct the New Delhi. ये contrast was visible in between old Delhi and New Delhi, or they want to develop a New Delhi better than the old Delhi because old Delhi is was the representation of Mughals. So they want to develop a New Delhi as a representation of Britishers with the well drainage system. Drainage system भी अच्छा होना चाहिए. अब तो till now we have discussed about the Delhi. First we have discussed what was the importance of Delhi. Later on we have discussed how to demolish the Delhi. Third, what was the planning of Britishers for New Delhi? We have discussed 4 to 5 points. So 1 or 2 meetings were held inside the Delhi. They call the Herbert Baker, a architect, to design the New Delhi, or they want to impose their culture inside the Delhi, or they leave the metro of the old Delhi and they want to construct New Delhi at a Roman style architecture style, Roman Greek style, or started they leave the old Delhi aged. Okay, there were no changes. So this was the way Britishers has started the development in New Delhi. तो अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आता है कि व्हाट वाज द लाइफ ड्यूरिंग द पार्टीशन. पार्टीशन मीन्स द 1947. अब बहुत से हम क्या सोचते हैं कि व्हाट वी हैव सीन वही हम पार्टीशन मानते हैं. जैसे कि मोस्ट ऑफ सीन द वाज द गदर मूवी, तो वी सीन द पार्टीशन वाज नॉट गुड. There were mass scare or maybe there were many people were killed during that. So in this chapter we will discuss about the life during the partition when India and Pakistan were divided, 1947. The partition of India in 1947 led the massive transfer of population from India to Pakistan, Pakistan to India, on both sides new border. So this was the time when the shifting of population. Because border earlier time there was the no border between the India and Pakistan. Later on border was decided. So many people who are interested to shift in India, they were shifted from Pakistan to India. For those people who want to shift in Pakistan, so they were shifted it because border was decided. So this was the first point कि many people transfer from one place to another during the partition. Days after Indian independence partition, when rioting began, there were many riots were held. बहुत से राइट्स भी हुए. क्या causes रहे हैं, we don't know about it. कि बहुत से राइट्स हुए during the partition. Over two-thirds of Delhi Muslim migrated, almost 44,000 homes were abandoned. So two-thirds of Delhi Muslim migrated to the Pakistan. आपको जो मैं ईयर और डेटा बता रहा हूँ, दिस आर नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, इतना नहीं लर्न करना आपको, तो केवल एक कंसेप्ट लर्न रखना है कि two-thirds मेजोरिटी पॉपुलेशन वर शिफ्टेड टू माइग्रेटेड टू द पाकिस्तान फ्रॉम दिल्ली. पार्टीशन चेंज द लाइव्स ऑफ द ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ न्यू माइग्रेट्स. यस, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. क्या होता है पार्टीशन चेंज द लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल, क्योंकि मेनी पीपल व्हाट बिजनेस दे वर डूइंग इनसाइड पाकिस्तान और इनसाइड इंडिया. तो व्हेन दे सेट अप इन न्यू नेशन, तो देयर ट्रेडिशन, देयर बिजनेस स्टाइल, देयर trade, that will be changed. Earlier, what they were doing, their property may be left here, or they start the new business. ऐसे कितने लोग थे? They started the new business. Okay, so this was the main point कि many people they changed their business during the partition. The large migration from Punjab changed the social value of Delhi. पंजाब से भी बहुत ज़्यादा लार्ज माइग्रेशन हुआ फ्रॉम द पंजाब साइड नियर द अमृतसर बॉर्डर, लाहौर एंड अमृतसर बॉर्डर. There is I hope 15 to 25 kilometer difference between the Amritsar and Lahore. Thousands of people were forced to leave their houses and very soon occupy the immigrants. There were many people, they were pressurized to leave their homes. कितने लोगों को प्रेशराइज किया गया, क्योंकि जो those people who were coming from the other nation, they may be shipped here. Okay. हाउसेज वर बर्न, कितने घरों को जला दिया गया. हाउसेज वर बर्न, पीपल वर थ्रेटेड, लोगों को डराया गया. टोटल स्केनरियो ऑफ लिविंग इज सर्वाइवल एज बीन चेंज. पीपल वर फोर्स्ड टू लिव द सेंटिजन लिव इन कैंप्स. देयर वर मेनी पीपल, दे वर शिफ्टेड इनसाइड द कैंप. जो कंसंट्रेशन कैंप बनाए थे बेटा, रिफ्यूजी कैंप, शरणार्थी कैंप जिनको बोलते हैं, लोग वहाँ रहने को मजबूर हो गए. गवर्नमेंट उनको फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करते थे खाने के लिए. तो दिस वाज द सिनेरियो ड्यूरिंग द पार्टीशन. और एक आपको एक पॉइंट और दे रखा है, देयर वर मेनी पीपल दे सेट अप इन द जो तराइन एरिया है नियर द यूपी, जो नीचे वाला एक सेंचुरी है. टुडे देयर इज द सेंचुरी, और उसी सेंचुरी में पीपल्स को इनको सेटअप किया गया. तो डेट वाज द लाइफ ड्यूरिंग द पार्टीशन. अब टुमारो विल डिस्कस व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इनसाइड ओल्ड सिटी. तो कल हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट द ओल्ड सिटी, व्हाट वर द पैटर्न ऑफ हवेलीज एंड व्हाट वाज द प्लानिंग ऑफ म्युनिसिपल काउंसिल इन दिल्ली. और लेटर ऑन विल डिस्कस डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ओल्ड एंड न्यू दिल्ली आर्किटेक्चरल स्टाइल. तो दिस चैप्टर इज टोटली कंसेप्ट ऑन द दिल्ली बेटा. हाउ द लाइफ ऑफ दिल्ली चेंज, हाउ द पार्टीशन अफेक्ट द population, nation, Later on, what was the pattern of old and New Delhi, differences between the architecture. So all these point we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, so sorry for trouble.
Yes, sir.
Okay beta, thank you, have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,